There are many woodworking tool products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best woodworking tools from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 10. Airage Hacksaw. Rating 4.5. Metal hand saw made from high-quality steel, high hardness, durable and solid. Ergonomically designed handle for security and comfortable cutting. Adjustable elastic, hacksaw frame adjustable tension. Tighten or loosen the saw blade easily, more practical. Wide application, hacksaw blade contains 10 black saw blades, 45-degree and 90-degree alternative cutting angles for standard and flush cutting. Widely used in construction, decoration, handicraft processing, and outdoor activities. Comfortable grip, rubber front handle grip on the hacksaw helps reduce fatigue in continuous cutting applications. Please note that the hacksaw frame saw blade is a consumable product. Please replace it in time after the tooth is severely worn during use, so as not to delay your use. Number 9. Anvil Portable Band Saw. Rating 4.5. Industry best 10-amp motor designed with controlled power to withstand any job site application. Cutting steel will not produce sparks, no burrs, and the cut incision is smooth with no burns. Fits for steel, aluminum, composite cables, angle iron, PVC pipe, and so on. The bass weighs 6.6 kilograms per 14.6 pounds and can also be swiveled angle from 0 to 45 degrees. It is easy to disassemble the base. With this workbench base, you can keep the cutting material from sliding, safe and convenient, especially for precision cutting work. Superior balance allows for more accurate cuts. Ergonomic soft grip back handle provides comfort during use. Serviceable steel shroud and rubber bumpers allow guards to withstand job site abuse. The saw blade guard can be adjusted to protect the saw blade from jamming and be safer without hurting your hands. Number 8. Brushless Circular Saw. Rating 4.6. The circular saw is equipped with high-performance brushless motor, which can deliver up to 5,600 revolutions per minute speed. Not only does it handle heavy-duty work like cutting through wood or plastic with ease and speed, but it also extends lifespan and reduces noise and vibration. Our battery circular saw adopted multiple security protection mechanisms. The electric brake can quickly stop the blade after the trigger is released. The soft start function realizes smooth acceleration and optimized operation. The safety lock mechanism prevents accidental activation, and all of this ensures a higher level of operational safety. The power circular saws feature a precision guide rail that helps cut accurately, are beginner-friendly, and ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The circular saw creates a vacuum hole to connect to your vacuum cleaner, greatly maintaining a cleaner workspace for improved efficiency. Number 7. CZI Reciprocating Saw. Rating 4.6. Imagine effortlessly cutting through wood, pipes, and metals with our 200W brushless motor and 0 to 3,500 revolutions per minute speed. Whether you're tackling a home improvement project or a professional job, this brushless reciprocating saw delivers the power you need. It's your ultimate cordless reciprocating saw for all cutting needs. Reciprocating saw tool-free blade change lets you swap blades in seconds, ensuring you never lose momentum. Tool-free blade change feature makes the power reciprocating saw perfect for those who value efficiency and convenience in their projects. Weighing just 2.0 pounds, this lightweight reciprocating saw is designed for comfortable, prolonged use. The reciprocating saw is perfect for both men and women. It's the ideal cordless reciprocating saw for anyone who values ease and precision in their work. Number 6. Metabo Miter Saw. Rating 4.6. This 10-inch, single-bevel compound miter saw features a 15-amp motor delivering high power for effortless cuts. The power saw generates a no-load speed up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring precise cuts for all your woodworking projects. The miter saw includes an improved miter scale and controls for accurate adjustments. Its large table saw, 10-inch, provides better material support, and the vise clamping system secures the workpiece for precision and safety. Weighing only 24 pounds, this second-generation power saw is easy to maneuver and transport to any job site. The compact design allows for easy storage and increased portability without sacrificing power or performance. With a 0 to 52 degrees miter angle range left and right, and an adjustable bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees left, this compound miter saw offers flexibility. Adjustable bevel stops ensure precision cuts for various woodworking applications. Number 5. Mossy OAK Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. This folding saw is built with a D6A and M2 bimetal blade for superior sharpness and hardness. The Teflon-coated hand saw blade reduces friction, resists rust, and extends service life, ideal for heavy-duty wood cutting and outdoor survival use. The 7-inch pruning saw features 7 TPI triple ground teeth, delivering aggressive and efficient cutting power. Perfect for tree trimming, gardening, bushcraft, backpacking, camping, and survival tasks. Designed with safety in mind, the blade locks automatically when fully opened. No exposed teeth when folded. Carry and use this folding camp saw with confidence for hunting, firewood cutting, and outdoor adventures. Enjoy comfort and control with the lightweight, non-slip handle. The handle hole allows attachments for versatile use. This handsaw is a must-have tool for hunters, campers, gardeners, and anyone needing a reliable survival saw. Number 4. Bosch Track Saw. Rating 4.6. Provide job site mobility and corded-like performance in wood and wood-based sheet goods. Plunge mechanism. Allows for precise plunge cuts with accurate depth of cut. Single bevel pivot point. When using the track, it can be positioned in the same way for bevel cuts or non-bevel cuts. By Turbo Brushless technology, featuring a brushless high-performance motor and drivetrain system engineered to take full advantage of the additional power generated by Core 18V high-power batteries. Core 18V high-power 8Ah battery, compatible with Bosch 18V tools and delivers 2x more runtime than GBA 18V40. Eco Mode extends the battery runtime by up to 30% for getting work done. Number 3. 6-inch CZI Mini Chainsaw. Rating 4.6. CZI Mini Chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 900W motor and a precision-hardened chain, achieving chain speeds up to 30 feet per second. Cut effortlessly through wood up to 15 centimeters thick in just 7 seconds, as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. Even thicker pieces of wood that other chainsaws struggle with are easily cut. Compared to traditional motors, it offers 30% higher cutting efficiency and doubles the lifespan, saving you the cost of frequent machine replacements. The saw is equipped with 2 powerful 21V 2000 mAh batteries, providing up to 80 to 100 minutes of continuous operation, enough to cut over 100 pieces of wood consecutively. You can cut without worrying about interruptions, even in the field. Suitable for garden pruning, timber cutting, branch trimming, and shrub trimming. Furthermore, higher quality cells and overload and temperature protection features can significantly extend battery life. Number 2. Flex 24V Table Saw. Rating 4.7. 200% more power with 24V stacked lithium, 300% longer runtime with Thermatech Plus heat management, 100% faster charging, 100% cross-compatible with all Flex 24V tools and chargers. Table Saw KIT includes the cordless 8 to 1/4 inch table saw, 6.0 Ah stacked lithium battery, 280W rapid charger, rechargeable LED fence light, miter gauge, push stick, and 8 1/4 inch 24T blade. Best-in-class RIP capacity with 20.5-inch blade left clearance and 25-inch blade right clearance. Rechargeable LED fence work light lights up your work when cutting, removable for added lighting versatility around the job site, and rechargeable via USB-C. Rack and pinion fence system allows quick alignment and accurate cuts. Battery power indicator LED displays battery capacity along the front panel. Number 1. Jorgensen Hand Saw. Rating 4.7. The Jorgensen 15-inch hand saw features 8 TPI and triple ground teeth for aggressive, 50% faster cuts. Includes a plastic edge protector for safe transport and storage. Crafted from SK5 high-carbon steel, the blade offers excellent edge retention and resists bending during repeated use in woodworking and trimming. The black Teflon-coated surface reduces friction and material buildup during cutting. This finish also helps protect the blade from moisture and rust. The aluminum frame connects securely to the blade. TP and ABS grip is shaped for comfort, with 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle guides built into the handle for convenient marking. Multi-purpose use, designed for various indoor and outdoor tasks like woodworking, pruning, PVC cutting, and more. Suitable for professionals, hobbyists, and DIY projects. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.